Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. In this video, I'll be going over a new promising artificial intelligence cryptocurrency project called Bittensor and the TAO coin. So Bittensor is an open source protocol that powers a decentralized blockchain-based machine learning network. There are currently two live AI models on Bittensor. There's a chatbot as well as an image generation model. I'll be showing you those in this video, and I'll also be discussing the price potential for the TAO coin. So if you want to learn more about this new promising AI crypto coin, this is the video for you, so be sure to stick with me until the very end. Let's get right into the video. Before we do that, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below if you're not already subscribed, and turn on all bell notifications so that you don't miss my next video. But let's get right into this video and let the gains be with you. So the ticker symbol for Bittensor is TAO, and right now the TAO coin is trading for $63. The market cap is $319 million. Now, this is a very interesting coin. It was inspired, the tokenomics were inspired by Bitcoin itself. The total supply right now is 21 million, and only 5 million are in circulation at the current moment in time. It is very interesting how new coins are minted. They are essentially compensated to miners for training the AI models. I will be getting more into that as we go through the video. But there is also a 4-year halving cycle with the TAO coin, and the next halving will be in August of 2025. So right now there is high inflation, or the next halving is going to be on September 6th of 2025, as it does stand right now. But right now there is high inflation, and the current amount of TAO mined per day is 7,200, as you can see. 7,200 new TAO being issued into circulation every 24 hours, which is currently split evenly between miners and validators. So there are miners. The miners are actually going ahead and training the AI models, so to speak. And then there are also validators that secure the network, and we can actually delegate and stake TAO coins to these validators and earn staking rewards. So a lot going on here with this project. It is a new coin that did just start trading this year. They first wanted to launch on January 3rd of 2021. Then they halted everything until the middle of May so they could address some issues. And then, as we can see, November 21st of 2021 from Block Zero. And then the network was officially launched on the 20th of March this year in 2023. So this thing has been in development for quite some time. And it did actually go live officially in March of this year. So this is a brand new coin. It has not seen any bull market yet. And really kind of one of the main cons is just the high inflation rate right now. It's 7,200 new coins per day until September of 2025. And another con you could say is the fact that it's not easily accessible, but it actually is if you use Bitget, right? This is on MEXC, Bitget, and Bitmart. As you guys may know, I am partnered with Bitget. So if you want to sign up to Bitget and get some discounted trading fees as well as deposit bonuses, you can check out my link down in the description below. But this video is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to go and rush and buy this coin. I'm simply making this video for educational purposes only. But it is available on Bitget, one of the only 3 exchanges. Before it was listed on any centralized exchanges, you had to buy it directly from the miners. And that was quite difficult. Now it is actually listed on some exchanges. So there are currently 2 AI models live, and these were not actually made by the Bittensor team itself. This is an open source protocol, so anybody can launch AI models on it. And as time does go on, there are going to be a ton of AI models for many different use cases, but it's brand new right now, so there's only 2. So this is the home page. When you come here, I recommend you can make a wallet. As you see, I have my wallet here with 1 TAO coin in it. But regardless, I will show you, this is Chattensor. So this is similar to something like ChatGPT or Google Bard. You can ask it stuff. I'm not sure if it's working or if I did it properly. In order to actually use this though, you need to go ahead and stake any amount of TAO to this validator. All right, it just has to be any amount greater than 0, and then you can go ahead and use this chatbot. But this is what it looks like. This is brand new, so it's not great yet. And remember, this is a machine learning AI model. So as more and more people use it, it becomes smarter and smarter and smarter and smarter. That is the whole point of this. This is essentially decentralized AI. Just how OpenAI is owned by the big tech oligarchs, and they can censor information and have information come out in ways that adhere to their specific narratives. This is decentralized, and it was essentially created so we can have reliable AI that isn't biased towards one particular view, so to speak. So it's brand new right now, and I'm not sure how great it works. It hasn't answered my question here on what is Bitcoin's market cap. All right, if I hit new chat, what is today's date? Just ask it a random simple question. I want to see if it answers. What is today's date? Yeah, I don't know. Not working for me. Maybe it works for you, but this is Tensor, one of the 2 AI models. The other one is the image generator. All right, so these are some images that it actually generated for me. Some of these go kind of hard. Yeah, so this is one. These are some. Basically, you go ahead and you give it some prompts and some negative prompts. Negative prompts are essentially what you don't want in the image or what you want to correct, and some general prompts, and it will generate images for you. All right, so kind of neat, very early on. And again, this is only going to get better over time, as this is an artificial intelligence learning model, and as more and more people use it from all around the world, it's going to get smarter and smarter and smarter. So this is the basis of the Bittensor project. We can read the official kind of wording on CoinGecko. This can be found on their website or white paper as well. But basically, the network enables machine learning models to train collaboratively and be rewarded in TAO according to the information value they offer the collective. Additionally, Bittensor's TAO grants external access to users, allowing them to extract information from the network while tuning its activities to meet their needs. The ultimate vision of Bittensor is to create a marketplace for artificial intelligence, allowing producers and consumers of this commodity to interact in a trustless, open, and transparent context. Bittensor provides a novel strategy for developing and distributing artificial intelligence technology, promoting open access/ownership, decentralized governance, and global access to computing power and innovation within an incentivized framework, right? It is incentivizing miners, it's incentivizing validators and delegators for basically securing the network or helping the AI models get smarter. That's what the miners do. They basically teach the AI models. Lastly, we can go ahead and read the Bittensor network operates using 2 types of nodes, servers, and validators, with assessments based on the value of their responses. Nodes that add value to the network are rewarded with more stake TAO coins, while low value nodes are weakened and eventually deregistered. All right, so you basically got to be producing or you will be kicked off of the network as a validator node. Now, the all-time low of this coin was $30.83. This happened in May of 2023, right? A few months ago, and the all-time high happened 5 months ago in March of this year. It hit $107. Right now, the price is trading for $63. And remember, this thing went live in March of this year, and it hit exchanges at $60. And it's at 63, so essentially right at the same price it launched at. Now remember, when it comes to the tokenomics, there are 21 million total that will ever be minted or mined, and right now there is around 5 million, with 7,200 new TAO coming into circulation every day by the miners. So if the miners sell, certainly it is going to drop the price, but it does appear that the miners are holding their coins as of right now. So depending on how you want to play this, if you're bullish on this, I think this is a promising AI pick, and I think that this one can potentially be big. It is brand new, and it is an idea coming to life right now. There's still a lot that can go wrong here, but there's also a lot that can go right if they do succeed in this endeavor of making an open source, permissionless, decentralized AI model for the internet. while the big tech oligarchs are trying to control AI and use it for their own purposes. So this one could be potentially huge, which is why I'm making this video on it. We know that AI is going to be one of the biggest trends in crypto. It already went wild at the beginning of 2023, and AI is most certainly going to come back, and we're going to see the AI cryptos like TAO, FET, AGIX, etc. most likely do extremely well. So when it comes to this, yes, we can go off price action and you can wait for it to come back down to 50. That is certainly an area of interest. We also have an area of interest down here at around 43, and then the bottom demand level down here at around 35 to 30. All right, so these would be buy zones, and I would say right now at current price too wouldn't be the worst time ever to enter, not financial advice. But if you're bullish on something like this, most likely stacking a decent amount of it. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. Money is always relative. Don't buy more than you can afford to lose. But just stacking this and waiting for AI to go wild again in the crypto market can be extremely profitable potentially. So just to summarize, these levels I have marked on the chart are potential buy zones. You can do with that information what you will. Current market cap, like we said, is $318 million. If this is going to be a real AI project and succeed, it's going to have a market cap of tens of billions of dollars, most likely. So there's a lot of room to go up higher here. If this hits a $3 billion market cap, it would be around a $600 per token TAO or per coin TAO, right? And then a $30 billion would be a 6,000. That would be 100x. So 30 billion for something like this doesn't seem that far-fetched. Possible 100x in the future. We'll come back to this video and find out. I think it is possible. I have just actually added a bit of TAO to my own portfolio. So we'll see how we go here. I like this as an AI crypto play. I hope that you did enjoy this video. So in this video, we summarize what the Bittensor project is and what the TAO coin is used for. I hope that you did find this video insightful and learn something new. If you did, make sure you let me know by smashing that like button down below. And if you are brand new to Crypto Empire and you're not already subscribed to the channel, go ahead right now and smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all bell notifications so that you don't miss any future videos. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I'll see you in the next video.